Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. I'm Farzana Shaheen and we are still continuing the confused words. They are confusing us, so we are trying to learn them, so we should not be confused about them. So today again we are learning the pronunciation and the meaning and the use in sentences. So as you know already, we are talking about these topics too. We have done already. Today is the third one. So let's see the third part today. The first word is fair. Fair. It has different meanings. This only word has different meanings. Like, he is fair in expressing his feelings. यानी fair यहाँ पे कह लें आप मुखलिस, बिल्कुल ईमानदार होना किसी चीज़ के लिए, यानी अपनी फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करने में वो बिल्कुल फेयर है, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उसने फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस की हैं. So it's about that, like totally fair, not cheating a little. So that's the thing. Then other fair could be gora, very good complexion, you can say. A fair complexion, I will say, doesn't mean beauty. Remember that. And it's true. Only fair complexion is not a beauty. Beauty is something else. So sometimes people बहुत जो लोग अक्सर कह रहे होते हैं गोरा रंग, so that's not the beauty. Fair, that is fair to be light complexion, you can say. Then is fair again. This is also fair. So what fair is that? What do you think? This fair is kind of, you pay something when you travel. Here the sentence is, the bus fare for Lahore is not fixed. How much fare do you pay when you go to Lahore? It could be like that. So fare. Or you ask how much is the fare? This is one sentence. The other one could be, we attended the food fair last year. Kind of mela, you say. And a big arrangement for food. So that is also fair. Third one is fear. This is a little different. Fear. Fear, you are afraid of something. You have something like you don't want to face the fear. Like, you can talk to me without any fear. So किसी भी खौफ के बगैर आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं. No worries at all. And I mean it. You can talk to me if you have any questions. No fear at all. We can talk in very friendly way. So these were the 3 words for today. So now, thank you so much for watching. Share with your friends if you like it. And if you have any question, you can comment or you can just contact me on these 3 ways. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.